Puleo is a fourth generation family that does Christmas trees. Yes, that's what they specialize in. And clearly, just based on the packaging, I rarely see something so well packaged and with thought and care. This is a pre-lit Christmas tree. This is the 4.5 foot tall one. And it actually comes also with its stand, 18-inch stand. Really, really cool. Of course, you've got your manual, your instruction and all that, and extra lights to replace them if they ever go bad. But love the fact that it comes in two different pieces. We are going to connect them together, start fluffing them, and see what it all looks like. And this is what it looks like after only 4 or 5 minutes of putting it together, the two pieces in and out, and fluffing it up. 150 lights are lit up right now, one single plug, which is really nice. And yeah, it's ready to be decorated. It is 4.5 feet, so clearly it's on the table. I'm not trying to deceive anyone, but they do have them from 4.5 feet all the way to 12 feet tall, which is incredible. And come a little closer, you'll see what I really like. The fact that they went to the attention of detail. You don't see the metallic pole. You actually have kind of a semblance of, you know, actual tree, a little bit of brown, a little bit of green. I think is very pretty. It's going to look incredible once it's all decorated. Definitely puts us in the Christmas spirit.